How to fix update install error 0x800719e4 in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error. The first method you can try is run SFC and DISM tools. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator, click on yes, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first command, system file checker command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Wait until it is 100% complete. Once completed, copy the DISM restore health command from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Once both the commands completed running, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. Check if the issue is fixed. If the error still occurs, then you will have to run in place upgrade. To run in place upgrade, launch a browser. Type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on this link, download Windows 11. Scroll down and reach download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on the drop down saying select download and select this option for x64 devices. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now choose the product language. First of all, ensure the language of your system. Click on start, settings, time and language, language and region. Windows display language is the product language. This is English United States for me. Check yours and select the language here. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. After completion, go to the download location. Open the File Explorer from the taskbar. Go to the download location, which is generally the downloads folder. Right click on the just downloaded ISO file and select mount. On the open file security warning pop-up, click on open. Right click on setup.exe and select open. Click on yes. Uncheck this box which says I want to help make the installation better and click on next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on accept. Finally, click on install. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the Windows update you were trying to install. Let the installation complete. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.